Okay, good evening. Welcome to our tutorials today. Today I'm going to teach you about PrEP initiation register, how to extract it, and I hope you have logged in. This is our dashboard that's showing module. So when you log in, you'll find a place that shows a place like this one. This one shows various aspects in just a summary, but for now you'll proceed to home, then next you navigate to report module, then we are still on PrEP, so you go to PrEP, then we are looking at PrEP initiation register. PrEP initiation register, we want to see those clients who have been initiated on PrEP on the reporting period. Maybe for example, for this month, that is from June 1st to June 30th. So we want to get how many people were initiated on that period. So after navigating to PrEP initiation register, you'll go to request report. Now we want to select the range. For my report, in this case, I'll select from 1st June 2023, then the end report will be 30th June 2023. So this is the report that I want to view, how many people were initiated on PrEP for this period. Now I'll press request report. The system takes shortest time to process the report depending on the data available and the server. For my report is ready. The report that you request, the latest, it is always on top. So this is my report. Now I choose Excel. I choose Excel because it keeps the format of the register or the report. We shall also view the other format in days to come. So for now, let us use the Excel. I download my report. Now I will save my report. Okay, my report has been downloaded, so I'll click to open. The report takes shortest time to open. Okay, here is the report. Yes, the report. Now let me enable editing. Okay, here is the report. It looks good. This is just the PrEP register. The PrEP register. At this point, I know you have idea, or you know what the report, how PrEP register looks like, and the variable there, and how it is keyed in. Just to go through, here we see the facility, the MFL code, the sub-county, and the reporting. The reporting month is June. So we have date of visit, name in full, client, unique ID. I hope you know how to produce the unique ID. We always, I know you have idea. If you don't have idea, maybe we can schedule some other time so that we learn how to generate this one, especially if you are not using EMR and you are using the hard copy register. Okay, now we have the date of birth, age in years, the population type, the assessment risk, if the client was assessed, we have yes, and if there is no here, it means not there is some field that were not entered well, so it will be an error. And also here, when we have a no, that client should not be here. Okay, this shows the date when the client was initiated. You can see we have 15th, 6th, and so on. We have 6th, 8th, 12th, 15th. So this is the date that the client was initiated. This is the HIV status. Then we have screened or diagnosed for STI. So this one was screened. I can see we have one who was not screened, so I don't know whether if it is error or the client was not screened, but every client should be screened because we have screening form. So we have the risk, and that is our register. This one, I hope you know it. So maybe this one will be helpful for those who have not gone fully EMR and they're still using EMR as piloting, or they're using it parallel. So if you're using parallel, maybe you want to take this data and write it on the hard copy register. So I will show you how to print this document on your computer so that you can use the data to copy on your hard copy register. So after selecting all the fields that are required, now you come to page layout, orientation. Let us use landscape, because as you can see, the width of the page is so long. So let us highlight the data that we want. So the width here, we will select we want it on one page. You can also select the height, but for now let us leave the height. So let us print preview. We want to see how it will appear. So this is our data on the print preview. You can print it, and this is the data. You can copy it. So that is for all we have today. This one will be helpful for those who have not gone EMR fully, so that you see how many numbers you have or how many are missing or have not been entered correctly. This one can also be used to data managers who want to clean their data. Okay, thank you for today. That is what I had prepared for today. So if you have any comment or you want clarification, write to us on the comment or use the contact on our website. Don't forget to like our videos and also subscribe to get more videos immediately when we post it. Thank you and have a nice day.